Okay, well, we've got the new firmware. The number of it is 2022017, and the date is the 18th of January 2022. So watch Temporarily Offline's video all about this. I'll put it in the description. It will talk about, what he thinks about it. But a big part of it is to do with the power and the battery. Right, well, the radio's off. Let's get we've got some good charging now, and we're going to connect the power supply now. Right, you can see it flashing away as it charges. Let's get the SD card in. Okay, SD card's in. I'll just show you that. There you are. It just clicks in nicely there. The gold section faces forward. All right, let's turn it on. Hold it down for a good 2 seconds. Got a new logo now when it boots up, apparently. There is some text on this upgrade. If I find it, I'll link it in the video. I'll put it in the description. There it goes. So this is the 4th firmware update. I don't think this has anything to do with addressing the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi, but it's quite a long list they've given and instructions how to charge the radio and everything. So there you go. It's gone dark, so let's make sure nothing else is happening. Now you do have to remember to take the SD card out before you turn it on, or it will do the same process again. Let's hold down the power and have a look. So it does say X6100 now. It didn't use, I'm sure it never used to say that before on boot. You have to now go into the radio and tell it to upgrade. Okay, well, it's always satisfying to see it boot up. And come on, get the antenna on. There's our antenna. Can't see any signal or anything at the moment. There it goes. Right, we need to now do the system settings. Go to firmware upgrade, hit that, and then we need to push this upgrade button here. There we go. Need to hit it again or not? Waiting for that to go up. It says failed. Let's try again. Yeah. Mine's saying upgrade failed. So try again. Alright, I just rebooted it and it worked fine that time. There you go, it's like a red line at the bottom. You can't really see the red. Right, upgrade done. So we can exit now. Exit. Apparently the battery, to ignore the battery thing now for some reason. Anyway, you can see that I'm worried. What was that? Good old firmware upgrades. Right. Well, it looks fine now. Let's have a little watch of a video and see. Seems fine. Let's have a look at the Bluetooth. Go over to Bluetooth. Just hit it. See if it looks any different. Turn it on. There you are, same IP numbers as I had before. We'll hit connect. Oh, there's no password in there. So, there's the tuner. It's come off a bit. A few people around tonight. Tuner seems to work fine. So I'm just going to show you what I'm about to read. So I'll just pause the video if you'd like to see this closely, and I'll probably add a picture in the video as well. So I'll just brush through it. This time the built-in fuel gauge is enabled to manage the battery unit after the upgrade, the battery voltage. After updating the firmware, please carry out 4 cycles of full charge. Updating the charger indicator status is as follows. Blinking indicates charging. Steady on indicates that charging is complete. Off, when the charging option is turned off the menu, the indicator light will be on. After the update, when the power is lower than 10%, the battery symbol shows red and the interior is empty, and the battery voltage is no longer used as the basis for judgment of low battery. The parameter adjustment of the gen menu is changed to non-circular, and the large knob is turned left and right. Gen menu, okay. Large knob, gen. What's that mean? Gen. The parameter adjustment of the gen menu is changed to non-circular. I'm not really sure what that means. So if we say we go like menu like that, and then we select AGC, seems to turn, doesn't it? Weird. Oh, we've got something here which I haven't seen before. Handle PI and handle F2. I don't know what that is. So that's new. Okay. Anyway, correction the logic of the DFL menu. After entering the DFL menu, press other menus to exit. Okay, so exit here, menu, hit that menu, the filter menu. If you push another one, exits. Oh, that's good, isn't it? So I got that. So DFL, hit another one, and you come out. You don't have to keep pushing exit. Okay. Added preset telegram transmission function CW PSK RTWA can be transmitted. That's good. So we'll have to test that CW preset menus, isn't it? So CW. Hit it again. No, hit message actually. So we go out. So basically hit any button, you come out of the menu. Hit message. Message, that's for the, I think that's the talking message. That's voice, and that's CW there, I think. Probably need more time to look at that, don't we? Voice. Record. Hello. Hello. 1 2. Hello. 1 2. Stop. Play. Still can't hear it. Exit. And then if you want to play it. Didn't go into TX. So, yeah, not really sure. Maybe you have to push app. voice call, message. Oh look, it goes into text, TX. 1, 2. There is signal going out, I think. You can't hear it, but okay. Let's just read through. Adjust the CW decoding algorithm. Have a look. So, we're going to find any CW now. Oh, CW. So we'll go turn it up. Should you receive? Try and find it. Come on. Not really finding it, are we? Ah, okay. App. Modem. CW. It's quite fast. I think it's faster than, well, it says here 20. Move it up to 20. Right. CQ. I see the word CQ. II2WI. Da-di-da-da-da-da-di-da. I think it is trying. Da-di-da-da-da-da-di-da. You know, I think it is actually trying to work. CQ, IT2WRTC. IT2WR. Yeah. I'm going to say that that is working. It's got CQ. It's got the same call sign. So yeah, alright, thumbs up on that one. Right, let's read down. Well done, XIEGU. We like that one. Seems to work. Right, turn that down. So, next one. The startup screen is changed to logo and model. Yeah, I think it did say X6100 and a logo. Optimize the connection logic of Bluetooth devices. There is feedback that the driver capability with window. Fix the problem that the X-axis label of SWR scan is not updated. SWR scan. So let's go back. Is that how we do it? Yeah, we just hit any button, don't we? So SWR scan app. SWR scan. Oh, it goes into TX. So hopefully, seeing a very highest. I think we've got a bad SWR there. So let's exit that. Let's come away from that station. Right, yeah, you can see the SWR was out, wasn't it? Yeah, well, my antenna isn't great. So, yeah, it's struggling a bit to do that bit. Right, SWR scan. That's it. Well, it must have tuned it because it's at the bottom now and we can speed it up. Yeah, okay, happy with that. Bit of a spike there. Anyway, right, and we exit it out. Okay, so yeah, I think that's okay. The bandwidth of the first group of SSB filters is widened to 50 to 2950 Hertz. So that'll just be where you can adjust it. So you hit the filter, I'm guessing. And then the adjustment is wider than it was before. Okay, the AGC mode indication string has been simplified and changed to AGC A, AGC F, AGCS and AGC dat. So exit out of that. AGC, not up here. Yeah, there's 4 settings there, so that's changed. 4 settings there. Up here. Okay, fair enough. Added the current filter bank indication string filter X below the VFO frequency. So it does say filter here, X. So does that mean, oh, filter, that's giving us the number of the filter. So if we go filter and we choose number 3, it now says it on the screen. Okay, that's good. Come out. It's definitely better coming out like that. The LSB dig and the USB dig strings have been simplified and changed to L dig and U dig. So I know that when you choose them here, yeah, okay. I think it was fine anyway, as it was. But anyway, thank you. So enable the function of the microphone button. Microphone button? Ah, to do what? Right, there's a whole section here on the microphone, so let me go and get the microphone. Right, we've got the microphone, so let's do one at a time. So, one sec. Okay, so we have the microphone. Move back a bit. Microphone. So it says speech lock, short press, lock, unlock the big wheel. Okay, so short press. Oh yeah, big wheel is lock. Push it again, we can turn. Yeah, that actually worked. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's a good idea. So it's basically locking the large VFO. Next, tuner call. Short press, connect, disconnect, automatic tuner. Long press, start automatic tuner. So that is tuner call. Can we see the tuner call button there? Which one's that? My eyesight is rubbish. There it is there at the top. So once, this one here, turns it on and off. Yeah, that's good. Okay. So we've got a bit of a rubbish antenna on here. Okay. XFC, short press, VFO A and B. Okay, the tuner's rubbish. No, it's not. I'm only joking. XFC. Can we see the XFC button? Trying to find that. Oh, there, of course, right next to it. XFC, short press, VFO A and B. Very good. Next, VM, short press, toggle, VFO memory. Oh, it's saying the memory's empty, but yeah, that does work. Let's put something in the memory. Come on, let's just do it. So, memory, edit. Save. Okay, exit. VFO memory. There you go. Well done, XIEGU. MW, short press, save VFO to current channel. Oh, you can save it just by pushing the MW button. So we've already saved that one. So, so looking at MW, which is this one. Actually, this one here. So memory right, basically. Short press. Change the channel. Channel 0 already exists. So maybe we need to go into memory. Yeah. Well, it's to do with memory writing. Let's move on. Mode. Short press LSB. So there's a mode button. Let's have a look. Mode, short press. Mode. Can anyone see a mode button? There it is there. Mode here. Mode button here. The memory buttons were here. Mode is here. Look, we're changing modes, and if we hold it, There you go. So that works. Filter. Let's just hit filter. Yeah, that's changing the filters. You don't see them on the screen, but that is filter here is changing the filters. Very good. I think that's about it. And I'm sure there's other things. You can type the numbers to put in the frequency anyway, can't you? Oh, look, it's doing the different modes, look. So the different modes here. Frequency input, yeah. Look at that. Well, that's good, because we can fine tune like that, can't we? It's a bit of a funny frequency, that, but... Look, it even gets the last little bit at the end there. Well, that's good. So we would go O, frequency input. Once we get a hang of where the digit should be. Yeah, I like it. And then we can always go back to just doing our modes. I like that. So as you can see, I was pushing these. I think now F1 and F2. Look, that's doing the preamp. And I got a feeling these are programmable. That's noise reduction. So overall, I think XIEGU have done well, and they're definitely working on this. The Bluetooth test is whether they work with, whether you can hear the headphones, but it's definitely all going in the right direction. The tuner didn't seem as manly as it used to be. I mean, it does tune better on 40 meters for me. Let's just try that. I felt like the tuner was better before, or better. Tuner doesn't seem as good to me. So yeah, well, let me know what you think, if you're seeing a difference there. Before it would just tune really quick. So otherwise, app, gen, message, key, filters. Let's have a listen to the noise reduction. So we get some voice. Wasn't there some voice somewhere? Wasn't it on 80? Turn it up. The tuner looks funny to me. Maybe it just needs a good charge. See what I mean? Before it would tune that quite easily. I'll try it on my other antenna. Need to get into the correct mode. Let's bring up the scope a bit. Display. Normally I'd turn that one down. Okay, so the filter, that's on. Yeah, I think that's okay. Right, I think we'll call it a night. It's quite late here in the UK, but they've definitely sorted out the microphone and some other settings. The battery thing, well, time will tell on that. But overall, the upgrade's done. Let's just go to the upgrade and look at it a minute. So we'll go System, and we'll go to System Info, and this one's called still version 1.1.2, but there's a different date. Exit, and then time setting wise, it looks the same to me. Exit, and then we might as well just turn on Bluetooth. Can't exit out of that. Why is that then? Do I have to go OK? Looks like I have to go OK, do I? There you go. OK. Exit. And then we'll go Bluetooth. Let it find its thing. Turn it on. Like so. Let's find my Bluetooth headset. Okay, Bluetooth headset, and it has found it quite quickly. So, how do we select it? Like so. There you go. This is the Yaesu SSM BT10. Select it. Connect. What we want to do is be able to hear it, don't we? Right, connected, so let's have a listen. So, no. Let's turn it right up. No. So no, the answer is no, I'm not hearing anything from the headset. You know, there's the button there, but it's definitely connected. I wonder if we go back in, if it still shows connected. Yeah, paired connected. So it still pairs fine. But I'm not really sure what that line is underneath. So, well, thanks for watching. I'm sure we'll get lots more videos on this. But overall, I'm happy. It seems that the radio's still fine, hasn't blown up. Everything's working, and they definitely improved. The microphone, for me, is probably the biggest thing about this firmware that I can notice. The battery thing, well, lots of people are going to talk about that. And I like a lot of the tweaks with the buttons backing out now, and it seems like the CW settings have been improved. Filters, messaging, need more test on that. More information on the screen with the filters. What's that little thing there? Is that Bluetooth? No, it's a VFOA. I see what that is. Got the time, volts. To me, the tuner felt like it wasn't working as good. I need to test it on another antenna. So, well, thanks for watching my channel. Hope you find this interesting. And lots more to play with tomorrow. 7-3, all the best.